to keep up with production, we had to get another 6 ovens going over here. So this is purpose-built little baking section. So if you come in, so here we've got the, we're in process. Dan. So Gany's going to now get very nervous with you all here and start filling up these pastry cases. Squeeze in, squeeze round. Squeeze in. Nice and cosy by the ovens. So this is just a basic custard mix of cream, eggs, egg yolks, sugar and milk. So each egg tart roughly contains half an egg yolk. So we've got to crack 10,500 eggs a day. So we've actually bought a mechanical egg cracker and separator.
Somebody read that this one has more calories than the hamburger.
No, we remove the calories when we put it in the oven.
Oh, that's really good.
And as we always, I've never bothered to count. What you fancy does you good.
How much do you eat every day?
I don't eat them every day, but I'm quality control. So the awful thing is, if there's a problem, then I'm going to have to eat about 8 of them to blind test them. So I can see if there's something that needs assessment. So behind you, you'll see some of them baking. Hopefully, so you should be able to see them rising up. Because the art of anything like this is to put it in a very hot oven so that it just seals those pastry cases, and then the rest of it can rise within the sealed pastry cases.
Should I take them out?
45 minutes. Yes. So we're making her own.
Could you ever do the sugar and do it like a brulee?
No.
That would be
No.
totally
A
bad.
lot of people used to do that in the egg tart wars, as I called them, because they didn't have the recipe and they would sprinkle they'd make something, sprinkle it on top and brulee it. It's not the same.
He's a creme brulee expert.
It's self-brulees like that in the oven, because with the high temperature that you're cooking it at makes all the sugar come to the surface. So what's
It's already.
around 250 degrees centigrade, depending on the oven. So they have to be quite adept.
Sorry, I missed the very beginning. What's actually in the custard?
So that is just basically what a custard is.
Right.
It's egg yolks, cream, milk and sugar.
Right. There's no secret
I'll
ingredient.
make egg white.
Like Coca-Cola.
You can try it at home.
It is interesting, really, the more you learn about these things, you'll know that a lot of these pastries that stem from Portugal, you normally go, why the hell does every recipe start with take 12 egg yolks? Because the nuns use the egg whites. You know, all these things came from the monasteries where the nuns used the egg whites for starching their wimples.
Ah.
Yes! It's very fascinating as to how these things develop. So then they started making recipes for the egg yolks. So we haven't got any wimples to starch, so we'll make angel cake.